my impromptu challenge, and this has been a while uh, before I create this video. So I'm back after almost 10 to 12 days. So I was on a vacation. I went to Sikkim, Gangtok. So after that, I took 2 3 days more. I was back in last Sunday, and I'm ready for my impromptu challenge after it looks like a very long time. But let's see how do I perform today live. Ask me anything. What have you done that you are not proud of? So I have already done this topic. I'll change the topic. Ask me anything. What stands between you and happiness? Okay. So this is an interesting topic. So the topic is what stands between you and happiness. Now I remember when we were kids, and this might be a very common thing between you and me, and in fact among all of us, that as kids we were always happy and we were always doing all sort of things, you know like playing here and there, and studying whatever was coming, but we were always happy because we never had those kind of responsibilities, those kind of sense of fear, those kind of sense of running in a rat race, that we have to showcase, that we have to show the world, show to ourselves, show to our family that what capabilities we have. And because of all that we were always happy. And as a kid I always wanted to grow up, and I thought that when I will grow up I'll have so much money and nobody will question me anything, and I'll be the most happiest person of the world. But we all know, when we grow up, when we become adult, we again want to return to that kid zone. We again want to become a child and have that kind of happiness. So our definition of happiness keeps changing, and it keeps changing not just because when we were kid and now we have become adult, it has changed. It has changed even in these years, right? When you are adult and you start finding happiness in certain materialistic things. Sometimes you find happiness with certain goals, certain objectives. You find happiness in in money, in relationship with people. There are so many things, right? But do we always think that chasing this happiness leads us to anywhere? I think there is a very good saying which says your journey should be happy, which means that whatever you try to do, whatever your goals and objectives are, you always try to be happy in the journey. If you do that, your entire work, your present itself becomes happy. And I think I'm also chasing that, trying to understand that. Sometimes I do that, but it is very difficult to always remain happy in your present. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. There is so many things to talk about for this particular topic, but I think I'm already done, and I have been already told that I always exceed the time. So thank you very much.